Welcome to Ojo, Ibadan, Nigeria. This is Aplus Energy at Ojo, Ibadan, Nigeria. As you can see, this is an empty house, empty room. This is the first room. This is the living room. This is the second room. And we are here to install a 3 kVA solar inverter system. As you can see, this is an empty room. The client wants to come here and have steady 247 lights. You can be like him. So yeah, this is where we install our solar system. Can you see? This is the before, and we will show you the after very soon. Thank you. Unboxing the 3 kVA inverter. You can see. So this is me trying to set up the camera so we can get a perfect video throughout the installation. So the first thing we do is we design our system the way we want it to be, the way we want the inverter to be placed, the way we want the protective box to be placed, the way we want our battery to be placed. So these things are very, very important. The first thing you do is you design your system and the positions where you want them to be. So this is not just for aesthetics, but there are few important things you have to consider. Like inverters have cooling fan, so you have to place your inverter in such a way that it gets air current comfortably. Nothing is blocking it from anywhere. And also you have to place your battery close to your system so that you don't have wire flying around the whole place. So these are the things we are putting in place here because we are professionals and we know what we are here to do. So as you can see, our inverter has been mounted and mounted well, very close to the protective box where we insert our protective devices. So, and you can see the aesthetics is slowly building up. So like they say, all work no play makes Jack a dull boy. So I found this guitar and I was like, let me play my team some music. So back to work. As you can see, we have to clean up the rack because we focus a lot on cleanliness, as they say is next to godliness. So here we are trying to place the battery inside the rack, but we have to clean the rack very well and then clean the space very well. So here we are carrying the battery into the rack to where it's supposed to be, and then so we can connect it to where it's supposed to be connected. So while we are inside working on the wiring and the electrical connection, some of our team members are up on the roof installing the panels. So you will see them very soon. And it was very rainy that day, but nothing keeps us down, not even the rain. So our teammates on the roof are back. Let's see what they have for us. I'm sure they can't disappoint. Yeah, so this is 3 units of 680 watts monocrystalline panel. So we have 3 units of them for this 3 kVA system. This is us trying to make sure all the wires are well tightened, because one of the things that spoils breakers so fast is when there is partial contacts in the places where the wires are tightened. So let's close up our system and then watch out for the results. So this is our results, and you can see very neat and well arranged. I saw online some installations that are just packed, jam packed and all, no breathing space for the inverter. The battery is one-sided, but you can look at this. This is well arranged and very neat.
So now we are about to set our solar inverter. As the professional we are, so we want to set our solar inverter setting.
So some mistakes some engineers do is they don't focus, or they don't even set their inverter operating settings at all, which is very bad. As a professional, you have to set your inverter so it can work in the best performance possible. So please endeavor to set your inverter operating settings. So tell me what you think about this installation. If you like this video, please do well to subscribe and comment below if you want us to add more deep information about our installation. See you on the next one.